Respected faculties, myself Reshma Elsa John of S6B is presenting my major project for semester 6 apartment design. The major project address for the semester 6 is housing for faculty. This design respects the needs of the major user group, that is the faculties, and focus for a better learning environment for them. The aim of the project is to design a multi-storied apartment for staffs of Marian Higher Education campus. Objective. The four main objectives of the design are to understand the various aspects of an apartment building typology, to understand the faculty housing typology, and know the requirements for healthy living. Finally, to create the spaces that make their lives better. The concept, living with learning, is purely inspired from context and focus on the interests of the user group. 520 West 28th by architect Zaha Hadid is the building which I chose for my literature case study. The L-shaped structure overlooking the High Line of New York is the perfect example for the study of building relationship with context and its various services. From various studies, it is found out that the major user group interests include learning, reading, spending leisure time with family, group discussions, and connecting with nature. The area programming and proximity chart is as follows. The calculated FAR is 1.45 and the building coverage is 10.67%. Concept Living with learning. We know that teachers are people who enjoy learning from personal experiences and networking with others. This design is so as to fulfill this learning environment with a better living environment. The user group interests are learning new things, discussion with their favorites, the spending quality time with family, friends, engage in sports activities, group meetings, separate work from family life, and connecting with nature. The design is approached by considering outside an apartment unit and within the apartment unit. Outside the apartment, the design focuses on bringing a sense of community. This felt very important to me because the building exists within a college campus and requires some separation from exterior to interior. For bringing a sense of community, active interaction nodes are created within the apartment. This includes an open courtyard space connected with continuous activity spaces such as the badminton court, the children play area, the outdoor event area. Next is by zoning the amenities such as the pool, spa to first floor level for easy access and encourage such activities. Rest of the amenities such as the badminton court, the children play area, the gym, courtyard are linked with each other which makes this space more usable and a child-friendly design. Besides creating a sense of community, it is important to encourage personal hobbies such as exercising, yoga, games, reading, etc. We know that teachers are very much into reading. Reading with working spaces are provided very next to the entrance so that the faculties can easily access and utilize the space for combined reading, individual study, or reading. All the amenities are zoned to the level 1 of the building. Next, within the apartment, it is designed such that the person can separate work life from the family. For that, a separate study unit next to the master bedroom and separate living area from master bedroom and study space is provided. Vertical horizontal zoning. Horizontal zoning. The side entrance leads to the guest parking and the basement floor. The entrance has a library space and the guest lounge adjoining it. The entrance leads to an open courtyard leading to the lobbies, the lobby A and lobby B. The continuous activity spaces are marked in red. The green are the service areas which are zoned to the separate part of the site. Blue are the amenities. Form development. Form is developed on the result of sun wind direction plus the circulation channel, hence resulting in the optical. Vertically zoning the building consists of two blocks, block A and block B. Ground floor has interconnected play area plus library, gym, barbecue space. All other amenities are zoned to the first. There is a separate circulation pattern for the residents and the service staff. Then, the shaded interaction spots are planned away from the southwest of the site. The site plan. Site characteristics. The site is located within Marine College campus, Karakotam, Trivandrum. The nearest landmarks are the Trivandrum Airport, Technopark, Games Village, St. Andrew's Church, Kinfra. Coming into the site plan. The site is accessed through the road on the southwest of the site, which then leads to the guest parking on the ground floor and the basement parking. The staff has a separate road on the southwest of the site. The entrance leads to the series of interconnected spaces, communal spaces. All the activities are planned on the shaded region of the site, which makes the spaces usable at any time. These are the important spaces of the ground floor: the entrance leading to the guest parking and the service area, which is located here, the small landscape area which is near to the entrance, a small discussion area near to the entrance, the road leading to the guest and the basement parking. The road from the service area on the main from the main site entry is this. The indoor courtyard space connected with the lobby space, the badminton court adjacent to the gym and children play area is provided here, and the barbecue space near to the community kitchen and the lobby space. Here in the ground floor plan, the project site exists within a college campus. The zoning starts with the segregation of the public and the private. There's a double height entrance lobby is provided. The guest parking is zoned on the ground floor, which is provided on the to provide the informal idea of parking. A reading room is provided with the entrance lobby, focusing on the interests of the user group and promote learning environment. This reading room has a mezzanine floor with a silent work zone on first floor where they can privately study and work, as well as group discussions are also encouraged. The entrance then leads to interconnected communal spaces. The children play area and the badminton court, the gym are provided on each of the side, protecting those areas from harsh sun. Here is a plan of first floor. It has a total site area of 996 square meter, then floor area of 4977.63 square meter. There's a lobby space, there's a yoga room which is on this silent zone, and again there's a reading room which is again on the silent zone, and then the indoor swimming pool is right next to the lobby space. The spa is adjacent to the swimming pool, and there's a multi-purpose hall on the block B. Second to fifth floor plan. This floor contains one 3 BHK, one 2 BHK, one studio and one BHK apartment. Each of the rooms have separate work zone and family living. On the left is the family living area and on the right is a master bedroom with the study space near. 3 BHK has 150 square meter, 2 BHK has area of 120 square meter. The 1 BHK and the studio apartment on the block B has similar design, and each of these rooms have separate work zones, study areas near to their bedrooms. Each of them have balconies overlooking the Parvati Puttanar, which is the highlight of the design. It covers an area of 100 square meter. Relating to the concept, this is the area which is overlooking the courtyard space from the balcony, and this is the section of 3 BHK apartment. Here, this is the study area, and this is the living area, and this is the entry of the 3 BHK apartment. Similarly, from 6th to 10th floor, we have 2 BHK apartment, 2 BHK apartment on the block A, and block B is vacant. Here are the designs of each floor plans. And this is the floor plan of VIP suite, a lower floor. Here is a plan of mezzanine floor for VIP suite. Sections. Section AA is cut through Marine Playground and the activity zone of the design. Section BB is cut through the Marine College Road and Marine Playground. The special topic that I've chosen for my project is the reading space, which has a simple seating space, a reading place, and a silent working zone. Here is a rendered view of silent working zone. These are the working drawings, the plumbing drawing and the electrical drawing. Thank you.